Hi, good morning and welcome back to my channel. This is Madison and Olivia, and today we're gonna have a productive day together. I have a lot of things I wanted to get done today. Laundry, some folding, I wanna clean my sheets. I made a smoothie, I went to the gym, I got ready for the day. I have a few other things on my agenda, but we'll get there. I also want to give you guys a little life update. I am moving soon, so yeah, just wanted to kind of share a day in my life, and I hope you enjoy this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment box below, and please subscribe, like, and ring the bell if you'd like to be notified of future uploads. So without further ado, here is my morning so far. All right, so I am back from the gym, and I'm just going to kind of go through the rest of my day. I really just woke up, threw on my workout clothes, and went to the gym, and going to try to make this a very productive day. I do not have to nanny today, which is unusual for a Wednesday, so it's gonna be a good day. All right, so I'm taking the stuff from the washing machine, tossing it into the dryer. My mom started this load this morning, and I'm about to do a few more. I am starting off with the 2 blankets that I always have on my bed. Try to clean them weekly. So step 1, done. For anyone wondering, my favorite is Downy and Gain, and then I always love to use Unstoppables. Right now I'm using the Tide Smell, so my laundry just smells all kinds of scented, but I'm good with it. Okay, I just prepared my smoothie. I'm about to blend it up, but I thought I would show everybody what I'm putting in it today. Almond milk, protein powder, frozen strawberries, frozen spinach, cottage cheese, and half a banana. And I did about 1 serving, maybe a little less than a serving of cottage cheese, so it's gonna be delicious. And cheers. I've got an amazing protein smoothie. It tastes like strawberries and bananas. You don't taste the spinach, you don't taste the cottage cheese. I mean, my protein powder is literally the most amazing flavor ever. It barely even tastes like protein. I'm like, how do they do it? But vanilla strawberry banana smoothie. Okay, so I'm just finishing up my smoothie, and I just took a shower. I'm about to get ready for the day. If you are interested in my makeup routine, I have posted 2 makeup routines where I pretty much show off all the products I use on a regular basis. So if you're interested in that, you can check it out there. Or if you have any questions about today's look, you can always drop it in the comment box below. So without further ado, I'm about to go get ready. So I'm in the middle of getting ready, and I just had to stop and record this real quick. I wanted to let you guys know about the new product that I've recently been using, and I've loved it so far. It's called the Loreal Voluminous Base. It is a mascara primer, and you'll see it on my lashes right now. You let it dry, and it primes and moisturizes your eyelashes before your mascara, and I feel like it makes my mascara look a lot more bold and kind of like the whole falsy effect that's very popular right now. So just thought I would shout out this product. It was Alexandra Buter who introduced it to me. She was raving about it a couple weeks ago, and I was like, I need to give that a try. So I did. It's worth it. It's really affordable. It's like $5 or $6. I really do recommend. Great find. So this is the final look for today. Nothing too crazy, just another glowy makeup look. Just makes me feel more productive when I put my makeup on for the day. So next up, I need to do some more laundry, and got a couple more things I have on my agenda, so we'll get there. All right, so my towels are dry. I'm gonna work on folding these. Woohoo! However, before I start folding, I'm gonna make the most of my time and throw these towels in the, or not towels, these blankets in the dryer, because that way they can be drying, and I can start another load, because I would also like to wash my bed sheets. So we're gonna throw the bed sheets in and start another cycle with the same products I was using before. Okay, and so I have my dryer going with my blankets, got the laundry going with my bed sheets, and now it is time to fold. Okay, so you might be wondering why I folded things different ways. Well, my mom's and my stepdad's towels are these colors, and these are mine. I'm gonna need to hang this up while and this goes in a basket as well as my towel goes in a basket. So I rolled them so they're, you can kind of see them all and grab one, while they put theirs on a shelf in their closet. So it's just easier to have them folded this way. So that is why I fold them different ways. Woohoo! All right, and always remember to take breaks for water. If you don't take a water break every once in a while, you're gonna get dehydrated and you're gonna hit an afternoon slump and you're not gonna be as productive as you wanna be. So here's my tip of the day, drink water. I think that's always my tip of the day. Okay, so I can't make my bed quite yet because I'm washing my sheets, but I can tidy up this. I try to clean this up every single day. It just makes my mind feel so much better to knowing that I am doing a little productive activity to keep my room clean on a daily basis, so I never really have a chaotic mess to clean up. I know it looks bad, but it'll only take me like probably like 2 minutes to clean this up. So I'm gonna do that really quickly and then I'll show you the finished result. But this side of my room's looking pretty good. Just some pajamas sitting out, but purse, but this is my main little problem area. It's like a dump station, which is not what I want my room to look like. All right, and just like that, I've tidied up my dresser. My nightstand just has my water on it, and then on my bed is everything I'll need for editing and some planning I need to do. So I'm all done there. Woohoo! So I thought right now would be a good time to discuss moving. I will be moving in with one of my childhood best friends and her boyfriend at the end of this month. So around October 30th, October 31st, I will be living in a new apartment community in the Raleigh area. So that will be super exciting, and there will be lots of moving in kind of content coming up, as well as I really want to do an empty little apartment tour so that I can kind of do like a before and after of what we can make out of the space. I really have quite the love for decorating and all of that, so just really excited for that kind of content coming up. But I just wanted to tell everybody that I was moving, and that I'm very excited about it. And yeah, I don't really have too much to say. I'm excited to unpack my storage unit and get to all my fun goodies that have been packed up for all of the summer. So yeah, if you guys have any questions about my move or anything at all, please feel free to ask. I'm a pretty open book, so just thought I'd let everybody know. I'm very excited. And I'm not sure if I ever addressed this, but after I talked about that mascara primer, I really wanted to show off my lashes, which I find they look a lot more full and a little bit longer than they normally would with just mascara. So definitely a great product to try out. So I noticed while I was waiting for my 2 laundry loads to be finished that my toenails could be repainted, and they were starting to chip a little bit. So I'm going to do a quick polish change, and just thought I'd show you that you can be productive even when you're waiting around for your laundry. So here we go. So here's a before shot. Yes, I have a bruise and a scratch. That was from bike riding with my some of my kids that I take care of, and they're not too bad, but they're starting to chip, and I just think they need a refresh. So we're gonna do that real quick. And yes, for anyone curious, I am sitting on the floor, but I just thought I would sit down and do my nails. It's kind of nice to sit on the floor sometimes. So I did love that nail polish color. It was like a 2-tone purple green Halloween-esque nail, but I don't like chipped nails. So we're gonna go in with this Pretty Woman, is it gonna load for me? Oh, there we go. Pretty Woman nail polish, and it's a really beautiful color. So that's what I'm going to be putting on my toes today. If you're going to do your toes at home, here's a few products that I definitely suggest that you have at home. Nail polish remover, the typical kind, it sucks. Just buy good old-fashioned acetone. This works so much faster. You'll have your toenail polish off in like 3 seconds, especially if it's like a glitter polish. If you mess around with the regular nail polish, you're gonna be sitting there for like 10 minutes taking your nail polish off. Like, who has time for that? No one. Other product I think you really should have is one of these. They have them at the nail salon. It's really great for pushing back your cuticles and and getting a better clean line on your polish when you apply it. So my quick tips. Also today I'm just using regular polish, but if anyone's interested, I could definitely do a gel polish video. I've dabbled with doing gel polish on my nails and toes for about a year now. I don't do it every time just because it takes a lot of time and sometimes I don't really have the time for it, but it does last so much longer, so it is really worth it, and I really should put it back into my routine. So if you guys are interested, I will record a video. I might do it anyway just because it's something that I'm interested in. So, and I'm trying to just get you guys to understand what I'm interested in and get to know me a little bit more. So just thought I'd add that. All right, got my warm blankets out. All right, and I'm just gonna throw my last load of laundry in the dryer, and I'm gonna get this going. All right, in 1 hour I can make my bed. Woohoo! Wish you guys could have like a sniff of these blankets. They smell so good. These are the products I ended up using: the nail polish, acetone, and that metal cuticle tool. I did use some nail clippers to shape my toenails a little bit, as well as I used this little cuticle tool, which is great to like cut off some extra skin if there is any, and I just buffed my nails with this and I applied them, so this is the finished result. And now to finish my laundry. Also, pro tip, after you do your nails, always vacuum unless you want all that dead skin and nails to turn into dust. I pushed all mine into a pile and like, are you kidding me? That's actually kind of disgusting, but just thought I would remind everybody, quick pro tip, if you're going to be doing your toenails at home, you don't want to leave all that nastiness on your floor. And I'm using the Dyson V8 Animal, in case anyone's curious. All right, and my sheets are dry. Some of you might be wondering why I left this open. If you don't know this, you should. Always leave your washing machine open to let it air out and dry out so it doesn't start producing mildew and all kinds of funky smells. Keeps your machine internals clean for longer. So just a little tip there. But about to take this out and put it on my bed. All right, my room is clean. I've got a very productive morning and early afternoon. If anyone's wondering why I put this blanket on my bed, it is to keep it cleaner. We have 2 outdoor cats, my cat and my mom's, so I don't want their little paws getting all over my bed. So anyway, the room is clean, and now I'm going to work on editing this video for you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this get it all done, productive day, morning. The productivity is just going to keep on rolling. I've got to edit this. I'm going to try to upload it as soon as I can. So if you guys like this video, please like, subscribe, and ring the bell. If you have any comments, always leave them below. I had a great time hanging out with you guys, and it was very fun to make this video. I hope you enjoyed, and have a good day. Bye.